Hi everyone, it's me, Askarana. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Art by Asra. Today I am sharing something simple yet powerful. A sketch I made. It's just a hand holding a cigarette between two figures. Nothing more, nothing less. But sometimes the smallest details carry the deepest meaning. In today's drawing, I will be show you how to draw a hand with easy method. Isn't about glamour. It isn't about style. For me, it's a symbol of choice, of habits, of the way life. Let's start. I wanted this drawing to feel raw, no fancy details, no distraction, just a hand and a cigarette. Because art does not always need to be loud, sometimes it's whispers. So this is the final look of today's art. Hope so you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment. See you in next episode. Okay, ji, Allah Hafiz.